How's everybody doing? Thanks again for watching. This is Georgia, Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment, specialty lighting, like what you're seeing right here. What we're looking at is a real beautiful 2015 Mercedes Sprinter 3500. She's got that wide double rear end, and it's got all full of nice leather seats. This is for a limousine client of ours. A good portion of his rental involves, unfortunately, funeral processions. So we wanted to give a little bit of lighting for this vehicle. It will be involved in the procession. And we did our LIN 6, LIN-6. You can check a link in the description of the vehicle video for links to all these products. And what we're featuring there is two of them in the grill. And we also have our 90-degree bracket used in that grill to mount them very easily. And we also put two, one on each of the triangle panels in front of the side view mirrors. So we have 4 LIN 6 in total in purple on this particular vehicle. You can see there, this will be an adequate coverage for when the vehicle enters intersections, in the procession, or any other time. Honestly, these lights are pretty cool looking just for event usage as well. Here in the cabin, you can see we popped in 2 of our 3/4 inch switches right next to the headlight switch there, a blue and a red. We marked them for sides and grill because the customer requested that we have a switch to turn off the side if there's people loading and unloading while leaving the grill active, and then we can kick the sides back into play. So that's what he wanted, and that's what he got. Let me show you the front grill mount a little bit closer. There you can see how we utilized our 90-degree bracket. This is a dual use bracket, so you can mount it essentially kind of backwards the way we did and put the light in front of it, or you can flip it around. What I mean by that is a lot of people will automatically assume that this goes the other way, which you don't necessarily have to do. You can mount it like this. So I hope that helps your install. You can see we mounted it the same way on the other side of the grill right there. We were able to use the screws straight up here into the grill plastic, and it put a nice mount for that light right here next to the headlight. These side panels here, fairly straightforward mount, not too bad to do. They pop right off, and the wiring can go right behind and into the engine bay. Make sure you check the links in the descriptions for product and kit pricing. And thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. We'll see you on the next video. Keep us in mind, your number one source for construction and emergency strobe lighting and safety equipment for cars, vans, trusses, buses, tricycles, bicycles, big old Mercedes Sprinters, and anything in between. We'll see you on the next video.